23rd participant in the Silva Challenge is Andrew at Maple Leaf Customs. As I mentioned in the previous challenge video, Andrew and Neil in that video have volunteered. I guess that's one way to put it. I asked them and they agreed to kind of be guinea pigs on me trying to get cheaper international shipping. And so I'm going to be trying this on Neil, whose challenge is going to Canada, and Andrew's that is going to Switzerland, because if the lower postage rates I recently found out about work well, it really dramatically reduces the cost of me doing international shipping. So this is supposed to arrive in 1 to 4 weeks. I'm guessing this will be more towards the 4 weeks than the 1 week. Far close, hopefully 4 weeks. I think if we're lucky. I consider Andrew a dear friend, and as such, I've picked out items for his challenge. You see those over here. I'm going to try and fit these in the box. I want this to be a challenge for Andrew, and as those who know me well know, I can be an ass when I want to be. And so I'm having a lot of fun with this challenge. I hope you do too. I'm starting it off with a K7. Those who have watched my channel know I love the K7 casting. I think it offers a lot of possibilities. It has been done a variety of ways, and I thought this would be great for the challenge. So that's what I'm starting off with, and obviously that fits in there. Now, Andrew is a Porsche guy, and so as such, I'm leaning towards several Porsches in here, such as this beauty. Yeah, some of these he may choose to keep for his collection. This probably won't be one of them, but we'll see. This box is a little different, as I mentioned in the other video too. I can't use the priority mail boxes that I usually have used, so I bought some boxes that are basically the same size so that there wouldn't be more or less contents than other challenges. But because of the shipping, I needed to use something different, and that's why you see the bubble wrap to protect on the bottom. The boxes, other boxes, are a little bit thicker. Here's another sweet Porsche. The whale tail. Yeah, I mean, come on. Who wouldn't want that? Now, I don't want anyone to think that I'm picking on Andrew, so I am giving him red lines in this. In fact, these are two Porsche 917 red lines. This has glass. It's maybe not in the best shape, and there may be a noticeable missing part on these, but I think he can gas lands the heck out of these and not feel too guilty about doing it. Yeah, this is going to take some fitting in here, so we'll figure it out as we go. Now, I guess let's just finish with the Porsches. There's this beautiful Porsche Panamera that, well, other than landing on its top apparently at some point, is in sweet, pristine condition. 2015. Yeah, just a little finesse would bring this right back. Like everybody's saying, wow, Jim can be an ass when he wants to be. Yeah, I gotta scooch some stuff around here. And to wrap up the Porsches, there's this that actually I think is kind of cool. It's all plastic. This arrived recently in a box of junk. It's a Lindbergh Porsche Carrera #1 is what it is from their line. Obviously, kids have put stickers on it and stuff. This might be something he actually does add to his collection, so I might bubble wrap this a little separately to protect it. I'm not sure. This is a Johnny Lightning casting. This is the TNT. I did this. I customized one of these for my Rudolph Christmas build. I love this little casting. I love the shape of this casting. I love the look of it. Obviously, it's missing a lot of parts, but that makes it even better because you can run with it and do whatever you want. So I'm throwing that one in here. It's cool. It's just cool. There's this that isn't as cool. This is the Hypermite. This is butt ugly. Lord knows why they made it other than an excuse to create this engine. There's part of me that sees this as like a police patrol vehicle way in the future. Yeah. Enough said. Like I said, some of these are coming apart. Some of these have been drilled. Whoever I got some of these from had drilled some of them out already and everything. So, this one has a metal base. This one has a plastic base. This one has the 917 Ultra Flex rear end, which apparently added stability in the corners. I'm not sure. I'm sure that was some Porsche innovation. Hey, how about one of these? A muscle machine. I don't know how common these are in Switzerland. I love muscle machines for the wheels. They're fantastic. I thought this would be fun to send to Andrew to see how he would possibly incorporate that into a build. There are some weird things here like this one, the Bedlam, which seems to be like an El Camino knockoff of some kind. Definitely a strange little car. This one, the Backdraft. Yeah, Backdraft, Hot Wheels Backdraft. Has a futuristic look already. Yeah. That's all I have to say about that one. And this one, this is just an old Hot Wheels tow truck, one of the Larry's towing ones. Probably was originally a red line. When I got these in a junk lot, they had the twist ties already around them, holding them together, were already drilled out. I have so many of these tow trucks, it's not even funny. And they're all about in this same shape. So the front glass is there in case you're curious. Lord knows I could see this as being a futuristic view. I could see Andrew throwing Samed wheels on this thing. There's an added plug for Samed. But that's, I think, going to be it. I don't know. There's part of me that feels like I need to throw another casting in here or something. But I think I'll wrap that in bubble wrap. And then I'm not giving Andrew any 3D printed parts to, guns and stuff like that to throw onto the castings because he 3D prints and he can print to spec for these however he wants. Which is probably far better than me giving him guns or whatever to throw on here to try and get them to fit the casting. So he can do that. So instead of doing that, how about model parts? It's an FA-18 Hornet. And, come on. I usually put a plane in here. This time it's a kind of do-it-yourself plane. And yeah, we'll include the sprues, I think. We'll have to see if that closes. I may need to cut a chunk. Yeah, I think I will cut a chunk of those out. Let me do that right now. You all get the excitement of seeing this. Oh, there's nothing on this sprue, basically. Okay. So, are those sidewinders? I'll throw those in there. This has a whole lot of nothing on most of it. So, we'll cut that down. Yeah, that works. So I think that's it. Let's see what we're looking at here. Yeah, I think that'll work. So there you have it. I hope you have a lot of fun with this, Andrew. I'm excited to see what you build with it. And I'm excited to see the K7. I hope you use it. You don't have to use that for the build, as the challenge rules state. You only need to use one of the castings in here, really. I'm really hoping you go with that one at some point, even if it's not for the challenge. I look forward to that quite a bit. So I think that's it. Everybody stay safe and healthy out there. Thank you for watching these videos, and catch you in the next one.